Trash bags might not be the most exciting household item, but when you find ones that are strong and reliable, it really makes everyday cleanup easier. These are the Glad ForceFlex 110-count trash bags, and they've been working really well for us. They're the 13-gallon size, which fits a standard kitchen trash can perfectly, and I like that these are fragrance-free. Some scented trash bags can be a little overpowering, so these are a nice option if you prefer something more neutral. The ForceFlex material is great because it has a little stretch to it, so that helps the bag expand and handle heavier loads without tearing, even when it starts getting pretty full. They also have strong drawstring handles, which makes it easy to tie the bag closed and carry it out to the trash. One thing that's also helped keep things organized in our kitchen is how we store the bags. We keep our rolls in this bamboo trash bag dispenser. It's a 2-compartment organizer that holds 2 rolls of trash bags, and you can either mount it on the wall or keep it under the sink like I do. It makes it really easy to grab a new bag when you need one, and it also keeps everything looking neat and tidy instead of having loose rolls sitting around. If you're looking for durable kitchen trash bags and a simple way to keep them organized, this combination has worked really well for us.